Hi everyone, it's Winsome and I'm back again with another origami video. Today I'm actually using a brighter setting on my light. I don't know, doesn't make a difference. Well, I'm gonna try it out anyway and I don't know if I'm gonna regret it afterwards. So yeah, today we are going to be making the seal origami. Look at how cute it looks. Oh my god, I love it. And yeah, don't know why this week let's go to circus. Maybe there was some other related origami after, I have no idea. But yeah, as usual, we're going to start with a square piece of origami paper, and first thing we're going to do is make a fish base. And to do this, we're going to flip it over on its blank side, and then first of all fold it in half diagonally. Yeah, I decided to use this kind of grey blue kind of piece of paper because I feel like that's more seal colour than green. And then afterwards we're going to open it up and fold either side to the centre fold as neat as possible. Like so, and then fold the other side also to the centre. Okay, just about fits on camera. Then what we're going to do after is fold this behind to the top here, so I'll just flip it over to make it easier. I'm gonna fold this to the top up, like so, and then we're gonna flip it back around this way, and what we're going to do is grabbing this, I'm gonna then at the same time push this corner and flatten it down like so. And obviously when you try to fold it, try to make it as neat as possible. Yeah, also helps sometimes switching an angle to get it down as neat as you can. And then, oh gosh, why is it so hard? There. And then afterwards you're going to do the same to the other side, open it up and then fold it down like so. Yep, like this. And then once you have that, you're just going to simply fold it down and flip over, and that is your fish base. So then once you have your fish base, it's actually wrong way, I'm going to rotate it so this is at the top, and what I'm going to do is fold this down to here. So yep, simply fold like that, and then I'm going to repeat on the other side, fold that side down as well, like so. Then what you're going to do is fold the whole model in half. Yep, like this. And then once you've done that, so this is not going to be very precise, but what you want to do is fold it about this much up, make a crease, and then fold it back down. And then you're going to do the same with the other side. You're going to fold it a bit more, kind of like the whole way actually, to here. And what you're going to want to do is then unfold it, and then afterwards you're going to rotate it around like this, and you're going to want to fold it in towards itself. So what you do, it's the opposite, like it's the opposite of a mountain, a valley fold, right? So yeah, like so, you're going to follow along the crease, push in, and then press down. And at this point you might want to adjust it a bit, it's up to you if you think it's like too long, too short, etc. And then you're going to do the same to the other side, another valley fold, and again following along the crease you're going to push in towards itself and then press down and try to get it as neat as possible, like usual. And then once you've done that, you want to do another fold in towards itself, pushing down like so. You might want to bend it like this again. I'm just gonna freehand it because that's always the best thing to do, isn't it? So yeah, I'm gonna freehand fold it down like this. And then you're going to want to fold the tip in again, so there's been like 100 valley mountain folds I saw, but yeah, fold this in so it's not like a beak like a bird and more like a mouth, like so. And then you're gonna fold this bit out, like this. Fold this bit out, repeat on the other side. Fold that bit out, well, up and then out, down, like this. I don't know why I need to zoom in for that small part. But yeah, here is the cute little seal, and you can obviously draw a face on, but I kind of like it without. Actually, you know what? Let me quickly, actually, does this pen work? For once I have stuff that's on me. I'm gonna draw a cute little mouth and an eye, like this. You can grab a pen and do that too. Oh, that's actually really cute. I wish there was actually a ball here for it to play with. I don't really have anything that can emulate, like maybe my camera lens. That's so big if that was a ball for it. But yeah, this was kind of fun making the seal. It's so cute. I love it. Definitely recommend to make one. So yeah, like usual, write a comment down below what you thought about this video, like this video so I know you enjoy this type of content. Subscribe for more content like this and other stuff I post. And again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.